Hello and welcome to UDP Tech New Update. In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use AHA Tunnel VPN for secure and private internet access. Step 1. First, open the Play Store on your phone and search for AHA Tunnel VPN. Tap Install, and once it's done, hit Open to launch the app. Step 2. After opening the app, allow notifications if you'd like, then make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is on. The app will take a moment to load the available servers. Step 3. Next, tap the Server section. You'll see a list of available servers. Select one that you prefer. Step 4. Now, tap the Tweak section to choose a protocol. You can select a pre-configured option, or tap Custom Settings for advanced configurations. Step 5. Once you've selected the server and protocol, return to the home screen and tap the Start button. The VPN will connect in just a few seconds. Step 6. If you want to share the VPN with other devices, open the side menu, go to Tethering, and toggle it on. And that's it. You're all set to browse securely with AHA Tunnel VPN. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay notified.